Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kiran. My department is chemistry and my ID is 005. Today I am going to represent my second course of Python, that is intermediate Python. So in intermediate Python, we will learn about matplotlib, dictionaries and pandas, loops, logic control flow and filtering, and hacker statistics. In matplotlib, we see visualization, data structure, control structures, and case study. Data visualization is very important in data analysis and it explores data. For example, if we write the years and population and we write plot.show, it will give us graph according to our values. In dictionaries, we have this query, and in the control flow and filtering, we talk about comparison operators, for example, equality, greater than, less than, compare arrays, and Boolean operators, for example, and a not, if, elif, else, warm up, if, add, else, and trying, right. For example, here we have an inquiry, import cars data. We will write import pandas as PD. And import numpy, you will need this. Import numpy as an E. Create medium observation with cars per capita between 100 and 500. So we will write all that. In loops, we will discuss about while loop, basic while loop, add conditionals, loop over a list, indexes, loop over dictionary, and over column. For example, this is a query of loops related to loops. And at the end, we talk about hacker statistics that include random numbers, random float, roll the dice, and random walk. This is a query related to hacker statistics. So this is my certificate of intermediate Python from Datacamp.